Welcome back and thanks so much for staying with us. Now, across the Caribbean this evening, we continue to be under the influence of that trough system, that dying frontal boundary, as well as strong winds over the open waters of the Caribbean. So we do have an increase in the moisture converging across the Jamaica area, also across Hispaniola and Cuba. We're expecting that this moisture is producing some shower and thunderstorm activity across the area for the next couple of days. We don't see significant movement, or at least movement with the system out of the area. So between Wednesday and Thursday, we should still be under the influence of that trough system. It's quite likely that the winds are also expected to be averaging anywhere above 20 knots across sections of the southern portion of the Caribbean. Now, the forecast for tonight, showers are expected to begin affecting sections of the east, and we're also expecting some shower activity across sections of the north central parishes as well. Expect temperatures to drop to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston and to 23 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay, with 5-knot winds with an easterly direction on both coasts. Now, in the morning tomorrow, we are expecting isolated showers mainly across sections of the east. For the afternoon, much of the activity is expected to spread further to inland areas and also to western parishes. We're also expecting an increase in thunderstorm activity in the afternoon tomorrow. High temperature 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, isolated showers are expected across most of the southeast tomorrow. That's Morant Bay, especially in the morning through to Kingston, Halfway Tree, as well as sections of Portmore, Spanish Town, Maypen, and Mandeville. It's cloudy with isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon for Santa Cruz, Black River, Savannah, Lamar, and Negril. Expect some showers also if you're across the north in Brownstown, St. Anne's Bay, Ocho Rios, Port Maria, Port Antonio. Isolated afternoon showers for Golden Spring, as well as for sections of Grange Hill in the west, also in Christiana and Duncan Trelawney, while morning showers are expected for Richmond and Moortown. Over the next few days, isolated showers and thunderstorms continue through to Wednesday, but cloudy conditions cover most of the Jamaica area on Thursday and Friday. For the marine forecast, the winds on the north tomorrow are east-southeasterly at 10 to 15 knots with wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. A small craft warning is in effect for inshore areas of the south coast tomorrow. We do expect winds to get to 25 knots and lift waves up to 2.5 meters. And the warning extends into offshore areas of both coasts. Easterlies reaching 25 knots, wave heights getting up to 2.5 meters. We're expecting the sunset in Kingston tomorrow to be at 17 past 6, at 20 past 6 in Mandeville, and at 23 minutes after 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.